Welcome to ClickMyProject.com.
Now we are going to discuss about vision-based robust lane detection and tracking in challenging conditions. Then we are going to discuss about overview of our project. The main objective of the project is to detect the road lane from input video by using different classification algorithm. Lane detection is essential for many aspects of autonomous driving, such as lane-based navigation and high-definition mapping modeling. To achieve this goal, we evaluated the performance of two common pre-trained deep learning models, such as Deep Convolutional Neural Network and ResNet50. Then we can implement the YOLO V8 for detecting the bounding box and compare their accuracy levels when detecting the road lane. Finally, the system can estimate some performance metrics such as accuracy and error rate for both algorithms and compare the algorithms based on that accuracy in the form of graph. Now we are going to discuss about flow of our project. First, we need to take some data set, road lane video data set. Then input. Here we can choose one input video from our data set. After that, the video is carried out to pre-processing. So here we can convert your video into frames, then resize your frames and grayscale conversion. So after pre-processing, so the pre-processed frame is carried out to feature extraction module. Here we can implement two different techniques such as local binary pattern and mean median variances. The extracted features is carried out to image splitting module. Here we can split the whole into test and train. Test is used for prediction and train is used for evaluation. Majority of the data is present in training part and smaller portion of the data is present in testing part. The splitted image is carried out to classification module. Here we can implement three different techniques such as ResNet50, Deep Convolutional Neural Network and YOLO V8. With the help of YOLO V8, so we can detect the lane from the chosen input video. Then we can estimate some performance such as accuracy, error rate and comparison graph for above mentioned algorithms. This is the flow of our project. We are going to discuss about demo of our project. We are run our project in Spider IDE from Anaconda Navigator. Here we can choose a one input video from your data set. So this is your input video we have chosen. So after choosing the input video, so the video will be converted into n number of frames. Each frames is resize the original frames and resize that frame and extract some features like mean, median, variance and LBB. So this is processed until how many frames the system is converted. So it takes some time. So this is the result for image splitting. Then this is the result for ResNet. So these are the layers which is mentioned in our project. And this is the result for ResNet algorithm. Then DCNN. So the output will be. So this is the lane detected video. Thank you.